काय ना ते इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ हायकोर्ट. सो लेट द हायकोर्ट डिसाइड. जे काम चालू आहले पळय तेशें हायकोर्ट डिसाइड करतलो न्हू. जे वेदर इट इज ट्री कटिंग, रोड वायडनिंग, रिइन्स्टेटमेंट आफ्टर द केबल वर्क वॉज डन. So that will be the matter is in the High Court. So I cannot directly comment on that.
So statement
was already given. So that is given as per the direction of the court. So I have to give my statement because that is the main road which comes from Kalangut to Shivale. So I have given my statement and it will be given to the court by them. So I cannot directly tell you.
But cutting is happens.
See, permission, as per my knowledge, permission was given by the Department of Forest. Permission dila, that permission is already being shown to the High Court by the village panchayat. All permission. Other the permission left sale. That did not come to the notice of the PWD or panchayat or the tree cutter or the contractor, whoever it is. So everybody is scared. So let the statement be given to the court. Let the court decide. एक कितें आहलें, एक तर झाडां आतां कोण येयलो आनी झाडां मारीत गेलो आनी ते कांयच परमिशन ना. हे सगळें परमिशन मागलेलें, परमिशन दिल्लें आनी परमिशन लेफ्ट जालें. हे तीन गोष्टी आहेत. बेस्ट जज इज द हाय कोर्ट because the matter is in the High Court.
पण सर ट्री कटिंग
लेफ्ट जाले म्हणजे डेट एक्सपायर जाली न्हू, तेजे उपरांत कट जाली. पयली थोडी कट जाली, तेजे उपरांत जी आहली ती लेफ्ट सान कट जाली अशें म्हणून एलिगेशन आहा.
पण सर गव्हर्नमेंट जाग्यावर सर जी अशी
why they are blaming for use rubber? सर एक सेकंड सर झाले मरे, स्वप्न मरे.